So the first thing you're going to do is cut your wings in half, and then you're going to soak them in some cold water. So here is a brine that I've made, and I'm going to soak the chicken wings in a brine for at least 24 hours. And then I'm going to take them out and let it drain for a good hour or so. And after you're done with that, you're going to take the chicken wings and bake them at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And when you're done, this is kind of what they'll look like at that point. So now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So we're going to take some oil, some onions, and we're going to kind of sweat those out. Here I'm adding some chopped almonds and garlic to that. And I'm going to slowly stir that up for a second. So here's the spice mixture. I'll have that located below. So you're going to take that and add that to your onions, and you're just going to heat that up for about 30 seconds to kind of open up the flavors in the spice mixture. And when you're done with that, you're going to add some chicken stock. Now, I don't know how much I added, maybe about a cup and a half or so. You're going to reduce this down until it becomes a sauce. So it truly doesn't matter that much how much sauce liquid you add. The more you have, the longer it's going to take to simmer. And then you're going to add 1 can of coconut milk. And you're going to take that sauce, kind of stir it up, bring it up to a light simmer, and then let it reduce for 20 or 30 minutes until it's a thick sauce. At the end, if you want to make it a little bit thicker, you can add some cornstarch. Now, I added some salt, some sugar. This is cilantro. And broccoli is optional. You'll see why I added the broccoli here at the end. At this point, you want to turn the heat off on this pan. Then you're going to deep fry those chicken wings until they be kind of this really nice looking brown here. And then you're going to stir those into the sauce. Now you can serve these as just plain chicken wings, or here I added a little rice with the broccoli. So if you're not going to add the rice, you don't really need the broccoli. Finish this off with the little green onions. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.